Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. And if you're new here, let me just say simply that all it means is that you out there, my subscribers, my fans, will send in an envelope with just scraps in it. Pieces that are left over from something you did, just random pieces if you want to give me a challenge. Totally up to you. I spent 10 minutes putting together a card, and hopefully it becomes something that's really kind of a neat thing to take to have between us. It's like just a fun little thing. Anyways, if you want to get in on that, join our Quality Crafts group on Facebook. Make sure it's the group and not the page. We'll make sure to get in touch with you. Just leave us a question mark or a question so that we can answer you. Lots of friendly people in that group. Or you can also private message either myself or Penny Jo Ratcliffe, and we'd be happy to get you signed up. So I have an already prepared card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, top folding. They change all the time. It's just random. And this week's is coming from Diane Gaines. We are on week 153. And I'm going to pull out from here what I have to work with. So I've got a little random piece of embossed paper. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Some beautiful flowers and some enamel dots. This is going to be a fun one. Cute little envelope. And some other random pieces of paper. Really fun. Okay, so that's what I've got to work with. I've got 10 minutes to create something, and let's go. A lot of times what I like to do is start out with something as a base. So if you've seen a lot of my videos, there's another piece of that other one too. Cute. Then you'll know that, check it out, she left a base in there for me. That's awesome. And I'm going to work with these peaches and these pink colors because she's got stuff in here that already totally matches. Now sometimes people send stuff that's matchy-matchy because that's the kind of card they want back, and some people just send the craziest stuff because they want to see what I'll do with it. And either way is fine. Either way is fine by me. I'm going to try to make a bow out of this. Slippery ribbon. So I can add it to my card at some point. Cool. So there I've got a little bow, and that's that nice peachy color. And I definitely want to add this peach to make everything tie together. But check out this little fairy. That is so cute. Double-sided paper. She's going to be on there too. I don't know how much of anything I'm going to have left to put on the inside. But I think this would look really cute with it. Put a little bit of this on the outside. Alright, I think I know what I'm going to pretty much do. I'm going to grab my distresser. I'm going to give this a little distressed look. I used to do this in just 5 minutes, so if you guys want to check that out too, just look at my replays and all that. I'll check it out. There's a other side to it. I think I'm going to stick with the gray just so it doesn't get overwhelming in different patterns and stuff. That's cool. Then a piece of this in here. And actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and do this one the same way. So I'm going to find a little, just an ending here where I can cut it off, like around right there. And it won't matter if it's perfect or not because I'm going to tear up the edges, so that is not a big deal. piece is going to go there. These enamel dots are pretty too. I bet I could probably color those. And I think I'm going to get a gem for it. Looks like there was a gem inside of these at one point. So I will probably get a couple of gems to put on there. So maybe those will be, no, these will be outside. Just not sure yet. I'm just not sure about these yet. We'll see how it goes. And this one, I have to decide, do I want to I have this too. This is a nice color. I think we'll start with this one. This one's really cool. That is super cute. We want a couple of these on here, and then maybe just the bow to go with it. Super cute. You know what? Maybe I'll just use these as the centers. They're very neutral and very pretty. Hopefully it'll stick right through there. If not, I'll get some glue dots. Yep, it's not going to stick. That's okay. I have some glue dots here. We'll glue dot those down. Perfect. I think I'm going to put it this way, actually. So if this is the kind of video that you really enjoy, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell so that you get more of these inspiring videos notified so that you know when we're going live. This is really cute. Super duper cute. I'm going to try to create something for the inside here. Since those enamel dots are really quite flat, I might be able to put one of those flowers on the inside. And I think what I'll do is I'll just put together a little ensemble here. It won't look exactly like the outside, but I think that'll be okay in this case. Get a couple of pieces that are kind of similar to the outside, especially this little piece of peach to bring the colors together. Okay, that, something like that. I'm going to leave this little bent piece out for now and use this one. Here we go. Well, that's cute enough by itself. I'm not going to add this at all. We won't need it. We will not need it. That's pretty. Let's just go ahead and use those. And then a large enamel dot and another glue dot should keep that one down. didn't quite hit the center. That looks kind of funny. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to put it on there so that you can actually see that one. Let's go ahead and glue that one down. Perfect. Look how cute that looks. Well, there's our front, and with the last minute that I have, let's just see if we want to add anything else. I wonder if we couldn't just put this on the back. Or maybe we could use this as the front and then you could put a little card in there. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. Let's do that. Let's see if I can get just a little note card cut for in here. That works. And then that they could write on. I'll just punch a couple of corners here since we've got a couple extra seconds. And that's it. So I did end up finishing this one off, so now they've got a little tag in there. I hate that I had to cover up the other side, but this way it's easier for them to get in and out of the envelope. That is so cute. We've got a few pieces left, and if you're unfamiliar, we put these in for the end of the year. So crop in the new year is something that we do, so save the date. If you're one that doesn't like to go out and party and stuff, you just want to hang out at home, do some crafty things, hang out with people that are just like you, go ahead and join us for that. That's going to be, usually it's 8 to midnight. So this is going to go in a box where I save all those scraps, and then that's what I create with that night. And I just make random cards and just fun things, and we all hang out and have a great time. So if you want to join that, we would love to have you. That would be amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed the process of this and that you'll go back and watch some of the other ones. Like I said, this is number 153. And I think I did at least 50 of the 5-minute ones. So if you want to see the time cut in half and what I've been creating, go check those out too. So here's the front again. It's got that beautiful little fairy that she added, that paper piece. And then the flowers, and then we even were able to bring in one on the bottom here, and then we created a pocket. Super cute. So what will happen next is I will stamp my information on the back here, and this will get mailed back to Diane Gaines. Let me just make sure. Yep, Diane Gaines, number 153. So thank you, Diane, for sending in your pieces. And all of you guys out there who are thinking that maybe this is something that you would like to try, we would love to see it. So we do these every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then if you want a little bit more fun, you want to learn some things, do some techniques, try some stuff out, join us for Friday Free Play every Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. This weekend is a sale weekend. Let's see, this will go out. Yes, this weekend is a sale weekend. Every other Saturday we have a sale. If you join us and support our community on Patreon, you get an hour sale before everyone else to see new stuff that's coming in and get first dibs on things, plus other perks. So you can join us at patreon.com /Koality Crafts. Join us there. And as far as that goes, then on Saturdays, our public sale, that goes from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. A 4-hour sale. We take breaks every hour or so-ish. And this weekend, we're going to be having lots of new stuff, lots of stamps and dies. And if you'd like to do some pre-ordering of things that we're ordering now, you can join us at the Budget Shop. The Budget Shop is simply another group that we've got established on Facebook where you can look over what we're going to be ordering and let us know if some of that stuff is something that you would like. And until Friday Free Play of this week, I can't wait to see you guys next video.